The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force.
What's up, everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and well, we got a unique one for you. What I am walking up to is a Widebody RT Challenger. This one is a unique one because we're about to do some stuff to this that very few people have done. Now, one of the things that we're going to do is really going to dramatically change the overall look of the car, and it's something that we're going to make available to every single one of our clients. So whether you're watching this and you have a Challenger or you have really any automobile, we are going to show you an example in this video of how to completely transform your car by simply changing your plastics. It is the 392, and this car, like a number of automobiles manufactured anymore, has a lot of plastic on it. What we've always noticed is that the plastic, if it looked better, actually accentuates the look of a lot of these automobiles. When you look at the hood, the different angles for the vents are pretty cool. When you look at the Hellcat style spoiler on it, or even the rocker panels or the grille, all of it looks pretty cool. On a black car, you kind of pull it off, but on any other car, the plastics really cheapen the look of it. Well, this owner was completely open to letting us do whatever we wanted, and we made a couple of suggestions that he instantly loved, and we gotta be honest, we are excited about them. We're going to take all of the plastics on this automobile, and we're gonna change the color of them. Now, throughout the course of the video, you're gonna see the color, but for now, I kind of want it to be a surprise. We're also going to take the calipers. We're gonna work on those. We're gonna customize those. One of the unique features of this automobile is the dual inlets in the front grille. Let's take a quick look at those. So this is not a new idea, but Dodge has absolutely brought it back, and they've done it kind of more effectively than anybody else, I think. So what you've got here is you've got a hole in this housing, and this hole is basically just there to feed air into the air cleaner to try and just, you know, create more horsepower and cool the engine off. The cool thing is they balanced it out in this year, and it has one on the other side. Now, as you can see, the owner already has some aftermarket rings on his headlights. We're gonna go through and we're actually gonna do some custom touches to the intake tube on this automobile. Now, the lighting there just really kind of begins all of the other things that we're going to do. We're working with a local company to manufacture some lighting options for it. Many of you Dodge guys are gonna be familiar with this company. He'll be in the video a little bit later showing us how to install them effectively, so that way from this point forward, we can help you by installing them for all of your local needs. In addition, we're also going to take and create an entire theme automobile here. Now, this owner actually had somebody come to him and make the suggestion that this thing looks like Darth Vader. So that's where we're gonna go with this. What we are going to create in this video is the Darth Vader Challenger. So stick around, and in the comments, tell us what you think when it's all done.
You don't know the power of the dark side. Power of the Force.
All right, so we got what we're starting to lovingly refer to as the Vader build back. Now, the owner of this thing loves the idea, and we're really kind of going for a Darth Vader color theme. Now, he kind of threw a mix-up, a mashup in on us. I think we're going to be able to tie it in and make it look really cool, but we just got it back from paint, and as you can see, if you've got a Challenger, if you've got a Charger, if you've got a Widebody, a Scatpack, a Hellcat, a Demon, a Red Eye, whatever you're rocking, there's a lot of plastic on it, and just like I expected, painting those plastics makes a huge difference. I have this exact same car right down at the end over there, not painted, and it's pretty crazy how much better it looks painted. Now, this is the Vader build. We are going to do a couple of interesting things as we continue with the video, but I did want you to see this because I just think it's cool. So get up in here and check this out. Well, guys, behind me is the Widebody, and we're making huge progress on it. Now, a lot of times people will come to me and, they say, hey, can you make my car look like that? And we can, but most of the time, people don't understand what it actually takes to get that whole look together. What I'm about to show you is just a small piece of that puzzle. We paired up with Evil Bee Designs to create a completely custom headlight kit for this automobile. The easy way to start would have been just simply doing the intake tubes, and we did. This vehicle is going to have a Darth Vader theme to it, and that's exactly what we did on the intake tubes. You've got Darth Vader in there with all kinds of lightsabers around it. It's a very cool, very subtle custom touch. Now, we didn't stop there, and with the help of Evil Bee Designs, we were able to create a completely custom setup. On the outside, when we got this automobile, it had these rings. And the rings looked fine, but they were literally on the outside of the automobile and kind of looked like something that was double-sided taped there, because they were. What we wanted to do was integrate everything together and really give it that one extra push. And that's what we were able to do. The exterior lights are completely customizable, and with what we've been able to accomplish with Evil Bee, these things have over 200 different settings. They can swirl, and they can sparkle, and they can strobe, and they can do anything else that starts with an S. Enjoy what you're seeing here, and remember, if this is something you're interested in doing on your automobile, give us a call. Now, this is just the beginning of what's taking place with the Widebody. We've had this thing for quite some time, and I'm happy to report that we're close to the home stretch. We're going to get this thing out of the air and show you everything that's been done to this custom Widebody.
Yourself to the dark side.